With the holidays just around the corner, authorities now want a total ban on firecrackers. Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos calls on local chief executives to pass respective ordinances banning the use of firecrackers in homes and other spaces nationwide.
Nakita naman natin yung mga daliri na puputol, etc. Iban na natin totally yun. Magkaroon na lamang ng pyrotechnics display doon sa City Hall. Sana lahatin na natin at maiwasan natin itong mga disgrasya.
At least 2 people were killed and 5 others injured in a fire at a bus terminal in Marikina City, sparking from a cargo truck loaded with firecrackers. The Metro Manila Council passing a resolution banning firecrackers.
Meron lamang pong designated na areas kung saan pwedeng magpaputok. Community po yan at sponsored po yan ng LGUs.
Abalos says they are on alert for any possible incident, although they are hoping for peaceful holiday celebrations. Authorities also doubling down on traffic preparations for the holiday rush. More people are expected to go home to their provinces starting Friday, December 22nd for the long Christmas weekend. The MMDA says it will inspect airports, bus terminals, and seaports ahead of the exodus. In Metro Manila,
We'll coordinate po sa DOTR para po ma-extend yung operating hours ng MRT tsaka po daw sa mga providers ng lalong-lalo na sa bus carousel para po may masakyan yung ating mga kababayan.
authorities say they don't see traffic worsening with the new transport strike. The said strike seen to last until the consolidation deadline for public utility vehicles or PUVs by year-end. The MMDA notes they cannot paralyze public transport.
Kung dadami or hindi, kami po ay handa na tumugon sa anumang sitwasyon na magiging epekto nitong dineclare na strike.
MMDA Chairman Romando Artes also appealing to the group not to stop their fellow drivers and operators from plying their routes, which some strikers are reportedly doing. Currie Cator, CNN Philippines.